Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're making a body tip over jig for my 68 Chevelle. Don't want to work under it, so I'm going to try to do this to flip it on its side. Hopefully what I do will not crush the body. So hang in there and watch me try to make this work. All right, so we got the front pretty much knocked out. Brace these sides over here. The scrap that I took off from the cut down below on this side over here. Ooh, it's backwards. And walk you over here if I can get it unplugged. Yeah, I just went 4x6s off the body mount holes. Made them 6 inches wide to put a puck under there. And then I screwed the 2x6 to it. It goes side to side. With another 2x6. I think it ended up being 40 inches long. So I'm 15 inches from the bottom of that puck, which would be like frame height to the ground. And I captured the bolt hole for the fender mount. And then I cross brace this. I added another 2x6 here for it to rest on. Still a little wobbly, but I'm hoping when I make 2x6 to connect the front and rears together, that'll kind of make a box and square it up. If not, then I'm going to run a bar or a 2x4 from this point down here to the bottom and make a triangle. Buddy loves those. That and blue plaid. So if you got any blue plaid, you should put it in the comments. Yeah, so it's doing things. It's holding its own weight. I figured when it's time to lift this thing up, I can take another one of these boards and put, 936 screws in there and then just lift it up because it's just me in here. So it's about to rain and I can't put my frame underneath the car anymore. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I may have to stand that up on its end and like tuck it against the wall, or maybe I can just stick it in my back pocket, or I don't know, something. This is fun when you're working in a garage that the wife uses the other side too. Yeah. So I'm gonna scoot on to the back there and completely ignore that it's about to rain and I need to move this in and see what I can get done in the backside.